Welcome guys. We are going to California adventure. So go.
Good morning guys. Welcome back to another vlog.
Day 2 at Disney.
Day 2. We're at California Adventure today. We're very excited because it's our first time attending the California Adventure Food and Wine Festival. It's been going on for a couple years, and even though we've had annual passes for a couple years, and y'all know we come all the time, we have never been to the Food and Wine Festival, so we're super excited. I've done a lot of homework. If you know me, I do homework. I read, I research, I follow accounts that share all the things, so we are prepared to try like at least 8 different things today. And then there's like performances, and there's some like chef demonstrations, and there's some things for the kids that we want to try. Like right now, found some stuff. You guys want a hat? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, what's your sister? She just stopped freaking.
All right, let's take this off and then put that on.
She was like, she got hot, I know.
There you go. There you guys go.
One ride so far, and Jonathan's about to get onto the credit coaster. We can't take the girls on. So when we do that, whenever we switch rides, like do parent swap and whatnot, so one of us can go and then the other one can go later, we usually get a churro. So what did you get, Zaya?
Got churro.
Whoa. What are you looking for out there? Oh, you want to see Daddy? Oh, your sister wants some. Can she have some? Share with your sister, please. Zaya, can you share, please? Zayana, I'm taking it. Alright, guys. Jonathan brought the girls to the restroom, so I'm going to tell you guys real quick about the Sip and Savor Pass for the Food and Wine Festival. You purchase this pass here in the parks at any of the booths, I'm pretty sure, but as annual pass holders we got it for, I believe, $49. Jonathan wants to pay for it, so I'm not exactly sure. But I do remember reading online that non-annual pass holders, this is the first year that people without an annual pass could do the Sip and Savor Pass, and it is a little more. I believe it's either $54 or $56, and what it is, it's one price, and you get these like coupons or like tickets for 8 different places, 8 different places you could try, and there's more than 8 booths, so you can I think there's like 16 options to choose from, but there's like 3 or 4 things on the menu for each one, so you just have to really look through the guide they give you. They give you this here. The pass comes on a lanyard, and it comes with a whole list of all the places and like what items. So it looks like most places have actually only 2 or 3 items. So 2 or 3 items, and it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah, 16 places, is that what I said? So there's a lot. We already scoped out, like I said, I did my homework, we already scoped out what we're gonna try. So we're gonna do that now for probably the rest of the day. We didn't make any dining reservations today because we were gonna do the pass. So let's see what we try.
All right, so first things first, we are trying the mac and cheese.
Yeah.
And oh gosh, the girls.
It's called ghost pepper mac and cheese.
Uh-oh. Did she spit it out?
Yeah.
Is it spicy, baby? Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
It's not.
Let's see.
Drink your milk, drink your milk.
Not bad, yeah. It's not so spicy. It's really good. It's like a hint of spice, but other than that, it's pretty friendly.
Okay, there it is.
Well, yeah.
There it is.
At the end, there's a little kick at the end. There's a little kick at the end, but it's still really good, really creamy. So what's the tower? Really good. Okay, very quick update. So on the mac and cheese, you see those little crumbles? Those are Fritos. So good, very good. Alright, so I ended up getting a beer flight now. So you get an amber ale, 2 IPAs, and a brown ale. And you get all this for $15. It's alright for the price, but I'm very excited. But I'm more excited for the
pepperoni pizza egg rolls.
Yes.
We heard these were like the place that had the longest line. But they give you, I guess it's pepperoni pizza and an egg roll, and they give you a side of pesto and a side of marinara. Let's try it.
It's really good. This is the Smog City Saber Squirrel Amber Ale. It's really good. You should try this.
These are good. Which one you want me to try?
This one. You want a bite, Zaya?
Oh, that's good. Which one's this?
Number 1.
Amber Ale. It's called the Saber-Tooth Squirrel Amber Ale. That's funny. That's beer. You don't want that. You want some more mac and cheese? Maybe let her try the like a pizza lumpia.
Pizza lumpia. Okay. You don't want to
Leah
try
wants
it?
to try the pizza lumpia. Ah, there she goes.
Is that yummy? Yeah. How about you? No.
That's okay. More for us.
So they're doing this thing called Junior Chef Cooking with Goofy, and Zayana actually got the chance of being chosen to actually cook on stage, and she's so excited right now.
Before we do anything else, the very first thing we must do is wash our hands. So we're all gonna do it together. All right, let's wash those hands. Get out those wipes. We're gonna pass them out to you, and we're gonna give them a good scrub because we must wash our hands before we touch any food, right?
What did you get? A cookie? Can I see it? Did you make it? Let's see it. Wow, chef. Junior chef. Very nice. So we're gonna try another thing, but first we're gonna give the kids this cookie from the show.
From the show.
Let's see. Smells good.
Junior chef.
I actually really like almond.
Ooh, can I have a little bite?
Oh, give her the little one. Give her the little one. Little bite.
Good. So,
That's tasty.
I don't know if Joanne told you, there are 15 booths here.
16.
15, I believe it's 15 booths.
And, there's 15, and then one of the places is like Restaurant Paradise Garden Grove.
Okay,
So
cool.
I said 16 earlier.
And at the Avocado Time booth, they're doing an Impossible Burger or Impossible Slider. This is normal price is $8, and I'm not into vegetarian stuff, but I'm down to give it a try. So big.
Fuck-a-doodle moo. Where's that?
The guac is really good. The meat
Don't kick her.
tastes like meat. It's really good.
It looks like meat. Oh my god, Diana. Did you show them already?
You show
What is
them now.
even made? Okay, here. Right there.
So what's fake meat made out of?
The guac is good. That's some on my finger.
Good, yeah.
That is deceivingly tasty. The bun's really soft. I mean, we've never had an Impossible Burger before, so we have nothing to compare it to. So for me, it's good.
Very good. So now we have the corn nuggets. They have topped it off with some dry corn, some bacon, and some sort of mayo sauce, I think.
So this I saw in a bunch of, like, maybe like 2 different people posted about it and that they really liked it. So I wanted to try it. It's like corn filled. It's kind of sweet with the bacon. Jonathan will like this. I like it, but it's your style.
So we are now back in the park. We took a 3.5-hour break. The girls are well rested. They're very happy, but we are very hungry now. So to end the night with our tickets, we got the pork belly banh mi. Look at that. See, these are all really small, so we might need to get something else. But the pork belly banh mi looks really good. You can see it looks really thick. And we also got the deconstructed chicken masubi with pineapple. So this is the masubi. What do you think?
It has like this wasabi sauce that I was not expecting. But it's good. I think you would like it because of the wasabi. This huge.
You think everything Of course, I love everything.
No, you don't.
Almost everything.
This is like really tender. Really tender.
You're right. Wasabi, it's like a very subtle hint of wasabi. It's really good. And it's like creamy.
Yeah.
It's good. I think I'll wash it down with my Bloody Mary. If you guys watch our vlogs, you know I love my Bloody Marys. So good.
Yeah, that one is so good, right? Told you. Told you.
Well, out of all of them, what do you think is your favorite, baby?
My favorite? Right now it's that banh mi.
Really good. This will not disappoint.
Alright guys, so the last thing we got with our Sip and Savor Pass is this Black Forest Parfait, because I really wanted dessert. Jonathan wasn't ready for dessert, but I wanted to try this little thing. Well, yeah, Zayana thinks it's hers. But what you could also get is a smaller version of these, this cod, this fish and chips from Paradise Garden Grill. But we got the large version because we only had 1 ticket left and I wanted the dessert. So we got this cut, and the portions are small and we're still hungry. So we're gonna end the night with this, have our little parfait at the end, and then we're about to watch World of Color in like an hour. So just want to say good night guys. Thanks for following along and watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments on the things that you really liked and want to try when you come to visit. Good night guys. Bye.
Share the meeting.